Hi guys! 11:10 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family and friends, pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyo pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? How was your Tuesday? And tomorrow, don't forget BFF that I'll be having my 9 AM NGO TV segment po. Wow Feng Shui po, NGO TV, YouTube, Facebook po. Please do watch. So dagdag po lang na I'll be also be sharing tomorrow. It's not only the March monthly flying star, but also the monthly Chimen. Monthly Chimen po that will all starts tomorrow, March 5 to April 4. Yan po, no? So, at least, meron po kayong background. Ano ba yung mga monthly energies? Kuya Norman, how do I use it? So, tomorrow, watch me at NGO TV Network, 9 AM. So, Feng Shui and Chimen, discuss natin all tomorrow. Don't you forget. Okay, so for tonight, again, of course, sharing of what to do tomorrow, expectation on a March 5, Wednesday. Tingnan natin. It's called The Water Rooster Enters the Distraction Officer Day. Wow, distraction. Says here, not suitable for major activities. But of course, we know better. So, check nga din po natin. So, check natin with other masters kung ganun ba talaga yung kanilang interpretation for tomorrow. So, tingnan po natin. Okay, so March 5. Okay, ito mas specific to, BFF. Sabi po dito ni Grandmaster Tan Kong yung Singapore. Ano po? Suitable for March 5 is setting up the altar, seek blessings, making a donation, traveling, contracts, renovation, moving house. Hi to Worshipful Master, Kuyang Joseph. Good evening po, Nobs. Worshipful Sir, good evening. Thanks for watching. Contract signing, renovation, moving house, house cleaning, groundbreaking, utility services, burial, buying a new car, submit tender, and pursuing studies. All good for tomorrow. Avoid legal matters, gardening, and buying assets. Not good for tomorrow, BFF. Yes, so meron pa. According to Grandmaster Tan Kong Yup Singapore, no? Well, of course, Singaporean are known to have the outcome. Kasi po, sa ibang master, sabi, walang gagawin. Pero kay Grandmaster of Singapore, meron ng dami. So, sundan natin. Okay. Zodiac sign, rat is average, ox is very good. Tiger is average, rabbit not so good. Dragon and snake very good, horse is average, goat not so good, monkey is average, rooster very good, dog and pig not so good. Okay, yan. So tomorrow, you will be consulting a lawyer, you will be doing gardening, and you will be buying assets. Though hindi maganda, we know better. I-daily chimen mo yan, BFF. Worshipful Nobs, i-daily chimen natin. Okay, isa-isahin natin. So, ano po ba yung kahalagahan ng i-discuss ko tomorrow, BFF, na monthly chimen? So, let us say, hindi ako nakapaglagay ng daily chimen. So, may monthly chimen kang pwedeng, kasi monthly nga, isang buong mo pwedeng gamitin yun, isang buong month. Yung backing na yon for your intended purpose and outcome that you want. So, meron kang plan B. Or, gustong-gusto mong gawin, biglang wala kang wifi. Or naglobat ka sa cellphone, but you remember, ay sabi ni Kuya Norman sa NGO TV, whole month backing sa gano'n, no? For emergency purposes, or for certain things that you wanna have or wanna accomplish. So, important din po. Sabi natin, Kuya Norm, baka monthly medyo malamya, matamlay. Hindi po. It will always be good. It will always have an effect because you know it has an effect because of the alignment and the qualities of energy that's within the backing po. So, don't you forget. Okay. So, silipin natin ang daily chimen. Ayan, tingnan natin. Okay. March 5. Okay, it says here, if you're 10x being beautiful and handsome, you're a content maker, a blogger into sales and marketing, promoting, selling your sales products and services, and you want to have the wisdom that comes with it, talikod ka sa south. Starting now until 10:59 the next day ng gabi. If you want to make amends, pakikipag-usap, make peace, negotiations, talikod ka naman sa southwest. if you want to create opportunities, have the inspiration, network or influence people, of course, in a nice way. Communicate well, attract helpful people, noble people in your life. 6 stars po ito, talikod naman sa Northwest. Hi to very worshipful SK, Kuyang Raymond, magandang gabi. Thank you so much ha. In advance, thank you dun sa iyo pong bibigay po na, is it, yung yung Japanese na food, oh. Thank you so much in advance. May nagsabi po sa akin. Miss you, Kuya Raymond. See you soon. See you soon. See you Friday po. See you Friday, Kuya Raymond. Of course, health is wealth. So if you want to have a good health, recover from an illness, healing, branding, and also to communicate well and have the resources that you want, talikod ka naman sa North. Anything to do with finances, here and abroad, anything to do with getting, let's say, a house and lot that you want, talikod ka naman po sa Northeast. And the game changer is backing to East. And dito po, if you want to get what you want, of course, in a much aggressive way, to have a good cash flow, to be more creative, yan, talikod ka naman sa East. So, game changers is. So, Kuya Norman, if I were you, ano bang gagamitin mo dito? Okay, BFF, this one, I'll be using po yung pong Northwest backing. Why? Yung Northwest backing BFF whole day means merong inspiration, you can influence and you can network with people. There is an opportunity. You can communicate well and then you can attract noble people. Ang ganda po, di ba? Backing to Northwest. So you can pray for this, you can manifest for this. Talikod sa Northwest, whole day po BFF. Now until 10:59 the next day. Now, nakaupo ka kahit saan kaabutan, use the compass, talikod sa Northwest. And then, count from 64 to 1. Okay, yan na, 64 to 1. Then, let go, open up, give thanks, ask and visualize what you want, and then you donate po, given the chance po. The soonest possible time, you donate. Don't forget. Okay. Ngayon, BFF, meron ba ikaw, Kuya Norman, Green Dragon, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden watching the door? O silipin natin? Opo. May nagre-request po talaga eh. Kumbaga po, hindi matatapos ng gabing ito na wala po nun. Okay. Let's check, March 5. BFF as early as 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m. Jade Maiden watching the door to attract, to increase attractiveness, loveliness, being more beautiful. Yan, talikod ka sa East. And the Green Dragon returns the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen, getting what you want din po ito. 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. talikod naman po sa Southeast. And the meantime, Flying Bird falling together, wherein blessing comes to you. Sarap nito. Blessing comes to you, talikod sa Southwest, 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Wow. So BFF our exchange of energy, Kuya Raymond, worshipful noble sir, is to like and share. Maybe somewhere out there will be needing this. And again, of course, yung word of mouth that we're offering this. And also, if you have some referrals po, well, thank you so much for that, BFF. So, yes, I'm glad to be able, me and my son, of course, will be able and glad to assist you with that, with Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, and Yijing, and even date selection po. We can do it on-site or online. Again, BFF, thank you so much for the opportunity to being able to share. Again, let us continuously pray for each other, because prayer will do a lot, of course. Will go a long, long way po, because we'll never know if someone out there is sick, in depression, financially challenged, or not in a really good state right now, when we can pray for them. Let us continue to pray for each other, BFF. Of course, let us also pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless. Good night. See you tomorrow. And please watch 9 a.m. NGO TV Network, YouTube, and Facebook. Bye-bye. Thank you, BFF.